Hey, dream chasers and moneymakers, have you ever felt like all the good money-making ideas are already taken? Think again. Today, we're diving into 10 rare and untapped business opportunities that most people haven't even heard of. These aren't your typical side hustles, these are gold mines waiting to be discovered by sharp minds like yours. So buckle up because we're about to unlock some next-level potential to build your empire. Let's go. 1. NFT-focused real estate staging, potential profit, $10,000 to $50,000 per project. With the rise of digital art and NFTs, high-end collectors want to show off their investments. Here's where you come in. Create virtual staging services for their NFT portfolios. Offer stunning 3D rendered galleries where clients can display their NFTs. You can even partner with metaverse platforms to host these galleries. This can include curated spaces for exclusive NFT drops, VIP galleries for rare digital pieces, and even interactive virtual tours. Charge a premium because this is not just staging, it's a statement. As NFT technology evolves, you can expand into token-gated events or metaverse design consultancy, further boosting your earning potential. 2. Rent-to-bee service for urban pollination. Potential profit $50,000 to $80,000 per season. Urban gardening is booming, but pollination is a huge challenge in city environments. Start a bee rental service for urban farms, greenhouses, and community gardens. Provide mini beehives and charge clients for pollination services. Educate your clients on the importance of bees, host workshops, and sell starter kits for hobbyist beekeepers. Bonus, you can sell honey from the hives as an additional revenue stream. Consider branding your honey by neighborhood or client. Rooftop reserve. Honey could fetch premium prices at farmers markets and specialty stores. Sweet, right? 3. Personalized sensory branding for businesses. Potential profit, $75,000 to $120,000 annually. Big brands know the power of smell and sound to influence customer behavior. Tap into this by offering custom sensory branding solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. Create signature scents for retail spaces or soundtracks for restaurants and boutiques. Work with tech to design immersive multi-sensory experiences, like scent diffusers that release a calming fragrance when customers walk through the door. You can also offer consulting services for businesses that want to improve their customer experience, enhancing your credibility and profit margins. Once you lock in a few recurring clients, your revenue could skyrocket, especially in high-traffic industries like hospitality or wellness. AI-powered voice cloning for content creators. Potential profit, $100,000 to $200,000 per year. Content creators need help scaling their output while staying authentic. Offer AI voice cloning services to replicate their unique voice for narrating videos, audiobooks, or ads. Build a portfolio by initially targeting influencers and podcasters, then expand to corporate clients for marketing and training materials. Charge subscription fees for ongoing access to their cloned voice, and offer add-ons like emotion customization or multilingual voice capabilities. As AI voice tech becomes more mainstream, you can further diversify into niche services like character voice cloning for video games or animation. Trust us, this niche is untapped and has enormous earning potential. Luxury pet wellness retreats. Potential profit, $50,000 to $150,000 annually. Pet owners will spare no expense for their furry friends. Create a luxury pet wellness retreat offering services like yoga for dogs, organic meal plans, and pet massages. Partner with veterinarians and pet therapists to offer specialized treatments like hydrotherapy for aging pets or stress relief programs for anxious animals. Develop weekend packages with perks like gourmet pet cuisine, adventure trails, and pampering spa days. Expand your revenue streams by selling branded merchandise or creating an exclusive membership program for repeat clients. Yes, this is a thing, and it's lucrative. Custom aging simulation experiences, potential profit $100,000 to $300,000 annually. This one's mind-blowing. Offer aging simulation experiences for businesses focused on inclusivity or senior care. Use wearable tech to simulate age-related conditions like arthritis, impaired vision, and reduced mobility. Package this as a training tool for companies in healthcare, hospitality, or retail to improve their services for senior customers. Partner with universities and organizations for workshops and certifications in empathy training. Not only are you making money, but you're also contributing to empathy-driven innovation, paving the way for broader social impact while earning top dollar. Eco-friendly funeral services. Potential profit $50,000 to $200,000 annually. Sustainability meets legacy in this growing niche. Offer eco-friendly burial options like biodegradable urns, tree planting memorials, or water cremation. Develop packages that include life celebration events with a focus on environmental impact. Partner with green cemeteries and ecological organizations to market your services to eco-conscious families. Sell add-ons like customized memorial trees or even augmented reality headstones that tell the story of the deceased. As the demand for sustainable solutions rises, your business could become a pioneer in a meaningful and profitable industry. Number 8. High-end virtual wedding planning. Potential profit: $60,000 to $100,000 per year. Virtual weddings are here to stay. Offer high-end virtual wedding planning services that include custom Zoom backgrounds, live streaming tech support, and interactive guest packages. Collaborate with vendors to provide premium experiences like gourmet meal delivery to guests or digital photo booths. Market to global clients, and offer add-ons like virtual pre-wedding parties or anniversary live streams. Charge premium rates for your expertise in pulling off seamless, unforgettable virtual events while catering to clients' specific cultural or personal preferences. Number 9. Personalized subscription boxes for micro niches. Potential profit: $40,000 to $150,000 annually. Go ultra-specific with personalized subscription boxes. Think things like monthly bonsai tree care kits or hiking snacks for extreme climates. Deeply research your target audience and curate products that speak to their unique passions. Include educational materials, exclusive items, or digital perks like online communities or how-to videos. Once you build a loyal subscriber base, upsell premium memberships or exclusive one-off kits for special occasions. The key is tapping into underserved micro-niches to create a strong sense of community around your brand. Number 10. Custom AI workflow, designed for entrepreneurs. Potential profit: $80,000 to $250,000 annually. Entrepreneurs are busy, and they're willing to pay for time-saving solutions. Offer custom AI workflow designed to automate repetitive tasks like email sorting, lead generation, or customer support. Provide ongoing consultation to optimize these workflows as businesses grow. Create templates and subscription-based tools to generate recurring revenue. Target industries like e-commerce, real estate, or healthcare, where time efficiency is critical. Once your clients see how much time and money you save them, referrals will pour in, helping you scale your operation exponentially. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.